This engineering thermoplastics player is making strategic moves to expand its market presence and optimize costs. It recently acquired a 36.13% stake in Clean Max Jasper Pvt Ltd, reinforcing its commitment to sustainable energy solutions and reducing power costs. With its plan to expand ABS capacity by 50 kilotons by mid-2026, 2 years ahead of schedule, and delivering an astounding 227% return in past 2 years, it makes it a stock to watch. Hey there, and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we screen through the noise to uncover hidden gems in the stock market. I am Ujjwal Sil, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory. In today's segment, we analyze two companies making moves that could fuel their long-term growth. As always, this is not a buy or a sell recommendation of any kind. So going ahead with the first company, it is CE Info Systems Ltd, Styrenix Performance Materials Ltd. CE Info Systems Ltd. This company is a leading provider of AI-driven mapping and navigation solutions. The company recently introduced regional language support in 9 Indian languages on its Maples app, significantly expanding accessibility for its 30+ million users. Financially, the company is on an impressive growth trajectory. In Q3 FY25, revenue increased to 115 crores, marking a 10.6% quarter-on-quarter growth, with EBITDA stabilizing at 36%. The net profit margin stood at 27.8%, demonstrating strong operational efficiency. With the revenue target of 1000 crores by FY28, the company is also focused on expanding its government business, which is expected to contribute about 20% of total revenue by the end of FY25. The company's joint venture in Southeast Asia is also projected to generate revenue starting next year, further strengthening its global footprint. The next company that we've covered for today is Styrenix Performance Materials Ltd. It is a thermoplastics manufacturing company catering to industries such as automotive, appliances, and electronics. The company recently completed the acquisition of a 36.13% stake in Clean Max Jasper Pvt Ltd, a strategic move that aligns with sustainability goals and regulatory compliance for captive power consumption. Financially, Styrenix delivered a strong Q3 FY25 with revenue reaching 692 crores, reflecting a 5% quarter-on-quarter growth. EBITDA margins stood at 10.9%, while net profit margins remained stable at 6.9%. The company is focused on expanding its ABS, which is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene production capacity by 50 kiloton by mid-2026, ahead of its original 2028 timeline. Additionally, its recent $20 million acquisition of Ineos Styrolution company based in Thailand is expected to strengthen its presence in the Southeast Asian market. Now reviewing our previous picks, the companies that we covered before in the previous editions of Noisemaker. First company is Pennar Industries Limited. We covered this when it was trading at 142.8 rupees. Now it is up by 14% and is trading at 162.9 rupees. The next company that we covered in the previous edition of Noisemaker was TCPL Packaging Limited. We covered this stock around 450 rupees. Now it is up by 16% and currently trading at around 4004 rupees. The third company is Moil Limited. We covered this at 308 rupees. It is up by 1.5% and is currently trading at 312.6 rupees. The next is Sciences Tech Limited. It is down by 2.2%. It was covered when it was trading at 1711.3 rupees and now it is 1674 rupees. The last company is Royal Orchids Hotels Limited. We covered this stock at when it was trading at 333.7 rupees. It is down by 11.6% and currently trading at 372.3%. Now summarizing the recent filings that we covered today, first company that we covered was CE Info Systems Ltd. It expanded regional language support aiming for 1000 crores revenue by FY28. The next company was Styrenix Performance Materials Ltd. It completed a 36.13% acquisition in Clean Max Jasper Pvt Ltd, expanding into power consumption and renewable energy solutions. That's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. For more details, check out the full report in the description below. Stay ahead and stay informed.